What up, Nick? Alright, the gun I'm holding right now is a WeTech GLOCK 18C. It's a semi-auto or a full automatic pistol. It uses green gas, propane, all that shit. Normally, this thing holds 25 rounds, but here we got a long mag, a high kappa. That means it holds 50 rounds right here, man. All for all that gangsta ass sideways shooting, all that shit, man. Alright, Snoop Dogg, my main homie. He's adorable. So overall, I recommend this gun to anyone who plays CQB because it shoots under 300 or 300 right on the dot. And plus, it's short, so it's easy to maneuver around, you know, easy like that, like a sideways blap blap blap. So beginners, it's a WeTech gun. It's inaccurate, but it's useful for CQB because it shoots fast and it's easily maneuverable. It's got a decent mag size, plus if you don't like the mag size, you can get a longer one. What else? Also doesn't need to be accurate for CQB. Alright. Oh! Oh! Is accurate on semi-automatic, which means one shot per trigger pull, but on fully automatic is inaccurate, which means all shots on a trigger pull, like a gangsta, like a G, like a homie. We're not trying to be racist, we're just a bunch of chinks, Asians trying to have fun here, so just don't get angry. I'm not black, I'm super yellow, I'm like a cooked banana because I'm brown. You know what I mean. We're not trying to be racist. Have fun with the video, guys. Whatever. Alright, so overall, this gun, go for CQB. It may be a little bit inaccurate, but you don't need that because you're going to be in close quarters. Plus, it's small, easy to maneuver around. It's on semi-automatic or full automatic, whichever one you want. This is a WeTech gun. It's for $100, so